emergency video, guys. I got full screen experience to work on my ROG Ally OG Z1 Extreme. So I'm gonna install this live. Whoa. This is the full screen experience on my ROG Ally. All my games are in here. I'm sorry if I am very frantic. I didn't expect this to work. So I haven't really set this thing up yet. I just found out about it 2 hours ago. But as you can see, this is it. Full screen experience, Windows desktop. By the way, do this at your own risk. I had to mess around with the registry. I followed this tutorial on Reddit. I'm still using ghelper. This is my favorite way to control my ROG Ally, basically. While we're already here, let's really seal the deal. Make this even more ergonomic. I 3D printed these grips. My ROG Ally has a butt, has booty cheeks.
What?
This is with the kill switch case. Fits perfectly. And if I wanna exit, swipe up. But I did sign up for the Insider program. It's easy to sign up. It's still quite buggy, of course. But dude, this is awesome. What if we wanna go back to the desktop? It just immediately threw me back to the desktop. I'm gonna explore this some more, but I just wanted to quickly show it to you guys. It's a test out if the sleep works. The sleep function works. Okay, let's test it. I did set the power button, if you press it, to hibernate beforehand, so I'm not sure if it will affect this. Controller's gone. Try it again. That's nice. This is just a first look. I only just got it working. Stay tuned, I'm gonna do some more testing. We'll see if the performance is better. But right now, this is great. Alright, thanks for watching.